Today is arm day. Let's get it. Pulling up to LA Fitness today. First time having a tripod out. A little nervous. Arm day today, so it's curls for the girls. We got some concentration curls. Nice 20. The key to concentration curls, you want to put your elbow just in front of that thigh and make sure that all the emphasis is on your bicep. Slow and controlled on the way down. Pop up. Always control the weight. Don't let it control you. Just like everything else, confidence is key. Nobody cares if you're recording in the gym, just get it in. Hammer curls are next. Tight core. Make sure that you're bending at the elbow and not throwing the weight with your shoulder, but again, concentrating on that bicep contracting every time. Had some elbow pain earlier this week, so did some tricep overheads with lighter weight. Still want to get some work in. And as we do with everything else, core tight, exploding through. Strong triceps are key to getting better on your bench press. Helps you finish through the movement. Yes, bench is about chest, but finishing through, if you ever get stuck halfway through your bench, usually that's triceps and being able to extend through. Again, first time filming in the gym. A little nervous, but again, nobody cares. Be confident in your workout. Be confident in how you move. Just don't be weird on camera. You'll be all right. Next, we have lat and front raises. Shoulder shrugs. You can go a little heavier than you think. Squeezing at the top. It's not an insane range of motion, so make sure you get that contraction up top. Looks a little funny, but it gets the job done. Rear delts. These build the back, which helps show that chest that you've been working on. Full range of motion every time. And then regardless of the day, we make sure we get our core in. Hitting the crunch machine because you can build your abs, you can build your stomach just like you can build any other part of your body. You can't target stubborn body fat, but you can build abs that by the time your diet catches up, it'll help that six pack show. Nice plank for stabilization. And as you've seen, your core carries you through every exercise. So leg day, arm day, doesn't matter. I hit some type of core. And that's arm day.